Hello friends, welcome to Beatrice Kitchen. Once again, another new recipes. Today we are making chicken 65, and chicken 65 is really very great dish, and you will really enjoy that. With that we will make the nice brown rice with it and also egg curry. So let's we start that. First we need to marinate our chicken. So in order to marinate the chicken, I have each tablespoon of garlic and ginger, tablespoon of each red chili powder, coriander powder, half teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of garam masala, and also 1/4 of turmeric. So we should start to adding this all ingredients in our chicken. Also we will add 1 teaspoon of lemon juice, yogurt, and also 1 tablespoon of each all-purpose flour and also besan flour. So we will start marinating with this one. Chicken is already be marinate and is taking rest. So while chicken is marinating, we will do the rice on other part. I have plain water in that, and I just add little bit oil in it. So now I'm adding my rice, and we will let it cook almost like a 70%. So we add like a 4 tablespoons of oil, and then now we will add chicken in it. And you can see that I have not used any kind of color or anything. We just bring the red color, but you will see it will change the nice color for the chicken. Now we will turn our chicken on other side. You can see that it's getting brown and very well coated with this oil masalas. So we will let it cook until second side is getting like brown, like this. So now we are preparing for the rice. And rice I am adding 2 tablespoons of oil. And my part is enough hot, so I will add cumin seed in it. And also I have other dry spices here. This is garlic and ginger, each tablespoon, and coriander powder, roasted cumin powder, garam masalas, red chili powder, each of that each teaspoon, and also half tablespoon of salt, because we are adding chicken broth, so I don't think so we need that much, otherwise the salt quantity will increase lot and our taste will kill, for the food. So especially when you use certain ingredients, you must keep salt less. At this point, we will add our all dry ingredients. So I have chicken broth, organic chicken broth. It is 1 quart. So I will add little bit. And we will cook our spices. At this point I will add chicken broth. And we will let it cook chicken broth until it gets boiled. So now our chicken is done. You can see that it's done very well with the all spices and everything. So at this point we will move away from the stove and we will prepare for the egg curry. So you can see that our chicken broth is boiling very good, and I have used 1.5 quart chicken broth for this our ingredients, and I will take it out some of that we needed for our chicken, for our eggs. And when you use chicken broth, I don't recommend you can use much salt, because and this one is very low sodium and it is really healthy, but you can adjust according to your taste. So we took out this much, and at this point I will get little bit low heat and we will add rice. So I do have this all ingredients about the egg curry, which is dry spices, cinnamon stick, black and green cardamom, bay leaves, and black pepper and clove. Also 1 onion, 3 green chilies, each of have garlic and ginger paste, and each of them cumin seed, red chili powder, and also coriander powder, and half of each spicy chili powder, turmeric, garam masala, and salt. Cup of yogurt, 2 tablespoons of fried onion, and I have 6 boiled eggs. So now we are starting our egg curry. This one will really, you will enjoy with the chicken 65, because rice sometimes we feel like dry. So I really enjoy this way. And so many times with the biryani we used to eat like a dal, and that one is another very nice recipes to goes with the biryani. But today I feel like that we will add this egg curry, so it will be more delicious. At this point I will add garlic and ginger paste, and let it cook about like a 30 seconds, unless this all rawness goes away. now I will add our onion. With onion, I will add green chili. And we will let it cook about like 4 to 5 minutes until our onion gets light brown.